out here at the Mesquite Friends of Fasst company at the 440 race. So this is 400 minutes of racing, 4 of us on a team, and then 40 minutes of fury for like the top 10 teams that qualify. We're just out here just having fun again with our whole team, and we get to race our own bikes. So I'm racing my 430, Roy's racing his 390. Nate and David on our team are sharing the 450 RX again, and we are underway. Nate is on his second lap right now. We got a nice watered course, don't really know what to do with that. Kind of no rules on when you can switch. You can change anytime you want. You can use any bike you want. Tyler's fresh off the 24-hour win and the Baja 1000 win, so I think second lap he's already battling for the lead. It may not be good for these other guys. Y'all pumped? You ready?
Ready to go. Caught him with my back wheel, went looked like that guy behind me, and lands, boom, clogged right into me, all laying on the ground.
It smells hot, but
yeah, it smells hot as fuck.
Was it blowing steam?
Broke at the top, yeah. It broke at the bottom.
He says it blew out of the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Airbox is destroyed.
Yep.
Guess I'll finish getting ready, just in case he needs to swap. It's a bummer. Second lap. Now the race is on. We may be down to a 3-man team already, but hey, it's racing. Here we go. Holy. Little rough out there?
Oh, you can say that.
There's a couple tree branches out there.
Oh yeah. Oh, the whippers on the...
Dude, there's a big one out there in that turn. I was like, and I hit it. I'm good to go again after him. I just needed to...
yeah, I'm gonna take some ibuprofen right now.
I needed to stretch my arms out a little bit. Still pretty fun though. It's 9:56. We're 2 hours in and having a great time. We've officially taken the 450 out of commission. Nate jumped the step up. There was a guy that was down. He landed on him, and then some guy landed on Nate and broke the radiator. Airbox is destroyed. We didn't bring an extra radiator, so he's now on my bike. And the course is choppy. Bike's working good. I'm really happy with it. We're just having fun. We got 6 hours and 36 minutes of this, and we got a little over 4 hours and 46 minutes. 11:11.
How much time we got?
11. So it's 3 hours in. So we're about halfway. So should be a little bit more plush out there. Just bled my forks. We just did an air filter, so we stole one of yours. I got fork oil all over the lens.
Showing the mechanic how to mechanic.
Yeah.
Be prepared for racing.
Okay, there's Jimmy. Heading out, looking back, he knows Nate's on his way. There you go. Nate just came through. It is 11:45 and had to straighten the bars, levers and stuff bent over, so it looked like he might have ate it in the sand out there. So he's slow moving, he's having a rough day, but we're still getting through this shit. It is noon right now, getting ready for a rider change. Jimmy getting off the bike, grabbing the transponder, throwing it on for Ricky. Dylan, the wheel off the 450. David just came through on one lap and my bike was squealing at us. And so we stopped him, sent Logan out here so we could check. Wheel bearing decided to leave the chat on this one, so hopefully that's the only damage we have today. We're gonna swap out this other wheel.
No, we still got an hour. Yeah, there's plenty of gas.
What do you think? You done?
Yeah.
You get to get out of your gear this time.
Yeah.